Shalom, saints. I want to sing a song to the Father. It's about the beauty of Yisrael. It's about everything He's doing in Yisrael. It's about everything He's given to Yisrael. It's about you, Yisrael. So here it goes. There is a vine out of the root of Jesse, beautiful, oh beautiful, grapes it makes, wine that's finer than any other wine that's made, for it has been aged by the Ancient of Days. In the middle of the mountains, in a very low valley, in a city whose walls are destroyed, empty and void of all understanding, until, Father, you made it rain. And now we have Shepard leading in and out of your sheep's gate. We even have a watchman on our walls. And the elders are searching for the old path, looking for the way to life, the way to righteous ruling, to guard your sheep that you call Yisrael. Watch them leap upon the valley, watch them leap upon the valley, while they cry out to you, Abba. For you are the refuge to their soul. We are invited to the feast of Father by the overcoming King. So let us drink from the river where the leaves never wither on the trees, and continually those trees bear their fruit. Shalom.